Have you ever talked to a voice assistant or gotten recommendations on what to watch next on a streaming service? If so, you've probably interacted with artificial intelligence, or AI, and it's only going to become more prevalent in our daily lives. In this video, we'll explain what AI is, how it works, and some of the potential risks and benefits. So let's get started. What is AI? At its most basic level, AI means teaching computers to think and learn like humans. It's like training a dog, but with data instead of treats. How does it work? AI learns in 3 ways. Supervised, a student uses flashcards to memorize information. Unsupervised, a person looks for patterns in a pile of colorful puzzle pieces. Reinforcement, a self-driving car practices driving on an obstacle course, learning from its mistakes. There are also 3 main types of AI. Narrow AI, which can perform one task very well, such as beating a grandmaster at chess. General AI, which has human-level smarts. And Super AI, which is smarter than all of us. But don't worry, Super AI is still science fiction. So how do machines learn? AI learns from data, lots and lots of data. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. For example, when you use a voice assistant, it listens to your voice and uses AI to figure out what you want. Now that we know what it is and how it works, let's take a look at some examples. AI is everywhere these days. It's in your inbox filtering out spam emails, in your phone helping you unlock it with your face, in your social media, helping to tag your friends in photos. One example of AI technology is machine learning, or ML. Think of ML as a student learning from their teachers. For example, when you ask Siri, Alexa, or ChatGPT a question, they use ML to figure out what you want. Another example is deep learning, or DL. This is like face unlock on your phone. It uses DL to recognize your face and let you in. Natural language processing, or NLP, is another example. When you talk to Siri, Alexa, or ChatGPT, they use NLP to understand what you're saying. Computer vision, or CV, is used by Facebook to help you tag your friends in photos. Generative AI is used to create art, stories, or music. These technologies all work together to make AI possible. By understanding how they work, we can use AI to make our lives easier and better. So what are the benefits of AI? Well, AI can save us time by doing tasks faster and more efficiently. It can also help us make smarter decisions by analyzing large amounts of data and finding patterns that humans might miss. AI can even save lives, like in healthcare, where it can detect diseases early and help doctors treat patients more effectively. Of course, no technology is perfect, and AI has some risks too. AI can make mistakes, sometimes with serious consequences. It can also be biased, which means it may not treat everyone fairly. Some people are worried that AI will take away their jobs. Others are concerned that AI could be used to spread fake news or propaganda. The good news is that there are things we can do to make sure AI is used responsibly. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to make our world a better place. So what does the future hold for AI? Well, it's hard to say for sure, but one thing is certain, AI will become even smarter, faster, and more helpful in the years to come. In fact, AI will be everywhere, quietly working in the background to make our lives easier. Imagine a world where your phone knows what you want before you even ask for it, where your car drives itself so you can relax and enjoy the ride, where your home appliances work together to make your life more comfortable. That's the world AI is creating for us, but it's up to us to make sure it's a good one. So the next time you hear about AI, remember it's not some far-off technology. It's happening right now, and it's only going to become more prevalent in our daily lives. So keep learning about it. Subscribe and comment so that together we can shape the future of AI. That's enough for now. See you soon.